I visited so many places in the Philippines. Boat tours with big crowds, bars, hostels where you can meet like-minded people. But to be honest, it's often just party people. And I wanted something different. That's why I headed to Puerto Princessa, determined to find a hidden gem. From there, I hopped on a scooter, following a tip from La Vida Hostel, a road to Nagtabon Beach. It's just a 45-minute ride. Along the way, you'll pass some really fun spots, like local basketball courts and elementary schools. The kids love it when you stop nearby for a quick chat. And then, there it was, Nagtabon Beach. Quiet, breathtaking, and pristine. No wonder they call it the Quiet Pearl. The sand is super soft, there are hardly no rocks, and the beach is spotlessly clean. It is a place of tranquility where locals and surfers create a vibe. No mass tourism, just chill-out vibes and cozy barbecues with grilled fish. Accommodations range from simple hammocks to luxury cabanas. The best time to visit is between November and April, when the waves are the most consistent. Perfect for beginners with small to medium waves. Don't miss the Viewpoint. I accidentally rode past it at first, but it's a perfect spot for photography, stunning drone shot, and have a cup of coffee. Do you want to learn how to sell your art online and create passive income like me? Check out the link in the description. Nagtabon Beach also has a local surf school where you can take a beginner lesson. After a few tries, I managed to stand up. You can also try paddling boarding. This is super fun and relaxed. If you're looking for something unique, grab a skimboard and try standing on your head, like this guy. Or simply enjoy the stunning sunset. Staying for a few days is absolutely worth it. But make sure to avoid the rainy season. November to May is perfect, depending on if you want to surf, of course. This super fun and relaxed surf instructor made the experience even better. If you're looking for something unique, grab a skimboard and try standing on your head, like this guy. And if that wasn't enough, imagine capturing a drone shot of a biker while a dog runs alongside. So cool and hilarious at the same time. Of course, you'll meet amazing travelers here. Wrap up the day with a drink and naturally karaoke. The Philippine people love karaoke and it's super fun to participate during sunset. So if you're tired of the usual tourist spots, discover Nagtabon Beach, the Quiet Pearl. Your adventure is waiting. If you find this video inspiring, subscribe, like, and check out our links below for tips on travel, drone photography, and much more. And let me know what you think about the Nagtabon Beach and my Philippine travel videos.
You will help us a lot by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Because we want to take filmmakers and adventurers to the sky.
If you want to learn how to get the perfect drone photography setting, or want to travel to one of these waterfalls, check out one of these next videos.